account and how this account has reached up to this much. So if you wanted to confirm it, you can go into our previous streams, and this account was started from 5k and now it's up more than 50k. How is this possible, and how I came up to this much? So basically I am a VSA trader, volume spread analysis trader, and I also try to combine with the Elliott waves and then ICT concepts and all other stuffs. So I combined 3 to 4 strategies into one strategy, and I came across something that some strategies have some good points and some strategies have bad points. So I filter out all bad points, and I came up to a one perfect and best strategy, which was basically volume spread analysis, which is combination of also ICT concepts and Elliott waves. So by combining all those things, I was able to build this much within just few weeks. If you see live market, then currently breakout structure has happened, and now we are expecting some good movement from here, and let's see which type of movement will happen. I will try to analyze it according to volume spread analysis, and then my whole analysis related to Elliott waves and next week analysis. All those videos are available in our videos section. You can go and check that whichever side market is going to move. Like the stream and must subscribe it, then I will give you one more trade here, whatever it's a upside trade or downside trade, but I usually take 3 to 4 trades on daily basis, and I prefer day trading like and swing trading because those have very high win rate, and I prefer higher time frames like 30 minute and 1 hour. Why? Because it has high accuracy and it has very less noise, so we can easily analyze the market according to volumes and according to all other behaviors. So there are thousands of things, thousands of knowledge available, and all knowledge type of knowledge is available free. And if you wanted to go with my own courses, then you can easily go with that. It's totally dependent on you, but must go with some strong learnings and some strong methods. Without learning anything, if you just go with gambling nature, and if you think that you will double your account within few days, then those things are not going to happen, and those things usually happens in the casinos, but those things does not happen in the trading side. Tell me in the comment that where are you from and what you are expecting now. Whatever market is going up or down, just tell me in the comment that, just write buy and sell and whichever side you are expecting, and then I will provide my own analysis, and then we will move further that whichever side market is going to move. I will place just simply buy and sell orders, and by seeing those orders you can easily determine that whichever side market is going to move. How I will get that orders, I will try to analyze with volume spread analysis, and then I also use RSI convergence, divergence, and there are thousands of strategies available, but I prefer Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci extensions for targets, and for retracement I usually prefer Fibonacci, and then for the bullish pressure and buying pressure I use volume spread analysis, and then I also try to combine it with this market structure, because market structure is very necessary. If you do not understand market structure and price action, then you cannot trade any method. All those methods which are available in the market, all are based on market structure and breakout and support and resistance things. So if you do not understand that, those things are not going to work out. And always try to combine your strategies, combine your trades with institutional traders and smart monies. So if you are riding with the smart money, or if you are going with the smart money, then definitely you will build a lot of profits. If you see my profits, then you can see that how much I have built, and my long-term targets are already given, and these things are just achieved within few weeks, and anyone can do that. How you can do that? There are multiple ways. You can like our stream and subscribe it, then must join on daily basis with this stream, and I provide trades on daily basis, and you can easily go with that. And if you wanted to get a trade now, then you must hit the like button and comment that you wanna know that whichever side market is going, and must comment it that which side you are expecting, and whatever I should take a trade now or not, and then I will decide that we should take a trade or not. Because if people are not coming and if people are not interested, then there is not why I should take a trade live. Or I will only take trade live when there are a lot of people active and they are saying in the comment that take a trade, and then you can easily go with that. If you wanted to build a good and consistent profitability, then you can easily follow our trades and you can follow our streams on daily basis, but like and subscription is must, and then highly activeness on comments is necessary. If you are not active, then I will not give any trade. Usually my win rate is up to 80%, and I usually took 2 to 3 trades in one specific day. So if you see for the longer terms, like for the 1 month or 5 for the 2 month or 3 months criteria, you will be easily profitable and you will easily build 15 to 20%. But these things don't expect from any expert advisors or any other strategy, because each strategy will have its downgrades, downfalls, and each expert advisors will have loopholes. Why? Because all those things does not give you actual risk to reward ratios. If you see my trades, then my each trade is protected by a strict stop loss. So stop loss with each and every trade is very necessary. If you are placing 20 pip stop loss or 50 pip stop loss is necessary, and don't move your stop loss. Whatever happens in the market, don't ever try to move that. And all my trades are based on strict risk to reward ratios, like 1:3 risk to reward ratio or 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And I already booked partial profits with all these trades, and now all these trades are break even. And if these trades hit break even, then that doesn't matter to me, because I already booked profits with that. And this account is, or this live challenge is only for YouTube community. And after completing this challenge, maybe we will try to build one more challenge. So that's why subscription is necessary and liking the stream is necessary. Most welcome to all new users who have recently joined, and most welcome to all those people who are liking and subscribing. So if you did not like, then like and comment is necessary, and if a pool is available, then must participate in the pool and determine uh, that whichever you are going with, buy side or sell side, must tell us in the comment, so I can also get your analysis, and then I will give my own analysis and I will take trade based on that. Now let's talk about risk management and placing stop loss. So if I talk about stop loss, then what are the psychology of most of the traders, whatever you are stock trader or forex trader or options trader, they do not put SL. I don't go with the options, because I think that's a pure gambling, and those same things happening in the casino. And if you don't put your SL, whatever it's a forex market or stock market or in the crypto market, you are doing casino thing or you are doing gambling. So I will not totally recommend that type of casino, and your mind should have been very strong for putting SL. And what most of the people do, they will put SL, but they will remove SL when they will see that their SL is going to hit, or they will remove their SL from one position to another position, and that's the biggest mistake most of the traders do. And a lot of traders just try to enter again and again by one specific side, and they think that market will move in their own side, but those things does not happen, and eventually they will lose their accounts. So there are multiple ways and there are multiple strategies. Each strategy will give you SL according to its verifications and confirmations, whatever you are using, candlestick patterns or chart patterns and all other stuffs. So it does not matter you are holding trades or you are doing incremental strategies or you are doing 1:3 or 1:5 risk to reward ratios. Each strategy must have a SL. If you are targeting only 1:3 risk to reward ratio or 1:2 risk to reward ratio, then still you should use SL. And like me, if you are holding these trades, then must book profits, partial profits those profits are very necessary, and after booking those your partial profits, you can leave your trades running, and they will keep making you rich. But keep in mind that you should have a strong analysis, and you should have a strong point of view related to any specific trend. If you see my trades, then I have already booked partial profits, and now I leave those trades until it hit my break even. And all these trades are just for you guys, so you can get some good knowledge. And all these trades was based on my own methods, my own analysis, and I already told you I am a VSA trader and I do trading based on that. So how you can strong your mindset, and how you can control those emotions and revenge trading and FOMO things. So if you hit 2 to 3 SL in one specific day, then you have to leave trading in that day. That's called a trading plan. So if you are following some strong trading plan, then you can also achieve these type of results very easily. What is trading plan? Trading plan is simple, is that if you hit 2 to 3 SL in one specific day, if you are doing scalping, then you don't need to do a trade, or you don't need to see the market again. You can move into another day, and if you hit 1 or 2 SL in that day, don't take any trade in that day, and you can move into next day. By following strict trading plan, you can easily achieve these type of results. And these type of results, if you see, then one is and 6, and another trade is after a few days, another trade is after a few weeks, and then those things. So this is called day trading or swing trading. If you become professional trader, and when you have a lot of knowledge and all those things, then your trading will be very less slowly, and you will not take more trades. You will only look for quality setups, and then you will try to enter in the market. If you are blindly entering in the market, and if you are using scalping strategies, then let me know that scalping is very difficult. Intraday is pretty much easy, but when we talk about scalping, then scalping takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort and very strong analysis, and I think only professional can do scalping. Why? Because lower time frames have very high noises, and if there is high noises, then of course it's very difficult to trade even for the beginners and intermediate traders. So I have seen thousands of traders, and they will leave the trading after 1 month or 2 months. Why? Because they do not follow trading plan, and they do not follow risk management. So what is risk management? Risk management is simply is that using 1% of your whole account. For example, if you have a $1,000 account, then only use 1% of that for one specific trade, and you can target 1:3 risk to reward ratio, or 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And keep in mind that if you have only 40% win rate, and if you are following 1:3 risk to reward ratio, you are a successful trader. Okay, most of the people, they will just blindly go into the market, and they will put 10% or 20% of their whole portfolio, and eventually they will when they will hit SLs, because stop losses are necessary, and this is the part of business. Every business have losses. So when they will hit those losses, they will just demotivated, and they will leave the trading. So if we talk about SLs, then SL will definitely hit. All professional traders have SL, and those SL will definitely hit. And there is not 100% pure trader, and there is not any trader who will say that they will earn money without SL. Going without SL, or going with the negative balances, are very bad thing, and it's just like a gambling. If you see my trades, then all my trades are in positive. No, nothing is negative. If one trade try to go into negative, then that will hit by the SL, and I will leave from that trade. How I have achieved these type of results, how I came up to this much, all because of knowledge, all because of education, and all because of giving time. Let me give you a perfect example. For example, if you are a young, and then you will go into school, and then you will go into college, and then you will go into the universities, and all those people will give you lessons, will give you homework and all other stuffs. So when you will complete homework, then you will complete your university level education, and then you will get internship, and after that you will get some dollars of job. But before going into the professional field, you must have to go into internship. So that's how this trading field or this education field works. If you do not learn, if you do not get knowledge, and if you do not understand each and everything, then definitely you will get losses. If any person is in the school and no one will give him a professional job, why? Because he is not qualified for that. He must have to learn a lot, he must have to get that knowledge, then he will be able to get a job. Same thing is, you must have to learn, you must have to get a knowledge, and you must have to go through that painful process of demo trading, back testing, and all those stuffs. That backtesting is simply as doing a homework, and demo trading for 1 into 2 weeks or 1 or 2 months. Demo trading is same as the internship. So when you will go from all this process, and then you will learn risk management, you will learn SL, placing SL, and then you will learn how you can control your mind, you will learn how you plan a whole trading journey, and how you can uh, go with the high win rate, how you can back test those strategies, and you must have to know that what is the win rate of your strategy, and how you can filter out false signals and all those stuffs. Then you will definitely become a successful. Okay, if you are following any other persons, or if you are copying any other persons, then definitely you will end up by losing, because you are the only one who can do this, no one can do for you. Okay, if you are giving time, if you are properly doing hard work on this field, then definitely you will get a lot of success. Success does not come for few months, it needed a lot of hard work and a lot of time. So if you have a strong strategy, if you have a strong knowledge, then definitely you must have to do a lot of practice. But if you do not have a strategy, if you are not able to be successful in this trading field, and if you wanted to achieve these type of results, then I have Udemy courses available for you. You can join that, and those are just a few dollars, like $10 or $12. That does not anything, that those are nothing for all persons. Why? Because if we talk about food of one time, then that's simply a food of one time for any specific person, and you are getting even 9 hours of lectures, you are getting even 8 hours of lectures in just $10, and no one in the trading field will give you those type of experience in just few dollars. So I just created all these courses for the community, and you can go into our description, and if you see, then we have a Elliott waves analysis. If you talk about Elliott waves, then market cycle always works with the waves, impulsive waves, corrective waves, and that waves structure is based on the 70 years of experience of one specific trader, and who then give those methods, written books on that. And then I have combined all those written books, all those knowledge of that person in just one specific course of 8 to 9 hours, and you can easily go with that. You will get a lot of knowledge, and I'm not charging anything. Those are just for a few dollars, and anyone can easily afford it. That's why my main purpose is to give you education. So if you are getting good education, and if you are practicing on it, and then definitely you will become successful. And in those 9 hours of lectures, you will came to know that which type of strategies you should follow, and which type of verification you should see, and how you can do risk management, how you can follow a trading plan, and which type of emotional things you should control, and how you can achieve all these type of results in with those methods which are taught. So in those methods, we will learn impulsive waves, corrective waves, and then Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extensions, and then volume confirmations, and then we will add candlestick patterns like morning star, evening star, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and all those stuffs. So that's why that course is recommended. And if you invest on your knowledge, then definitely you will have to give time to those knowledgeable things and those lectures, and after giving time, you will need it to do a back testing of that strategy. If back test is successful, then you can easily move towards live testing. So going live blindly or without any knowledge, and by simply going with the mindset of casino, and by mindset of doubling your account, you will not be a successful. Always see this as a good business. What is a good business? Good business is one day you will lose, one day you will get profit. And if in a business you are getting 5% in 1 month or 10% in 1 month, you are a successful businessman. And if you are doubling your main portfolio in after 1 year, then you are a successful businessman. Same thing applies in this trading business. If you are achieving 5% or 10% in one specific month, you are a successful trader. Okay, if we see the most traders or a lot of traders who are in their professional field, then they just achieve 5% and that's it. They don't trade in that specific month, and then they will move into another month, and then after another month they will make only 5%. Why I have made this much? It's just for giving you knowledge that what is possible with the learning, what is possible with the education. That's why I only focus on those education things. I First of all, I don't try to give out a lot of signals. All those signals, all those knowledge is available with those streams. If you wanted to go, then you can learn with these streams. If you don't have time, then we have combined all those knowledge, all those experience. Even I have 9 years of experience in this industry, and I have combined all those 7 years of experience in all those courses. And those courses, if you are familiar with the Udemy platform, then Udemy platform is very cheap, and they will just simply give you all type of courses, even high level courses with just $9 or $10. So that does not matter, and that's not a lot of cost, so anyone can easily afford it. And if you really wanted to build a strong career in this trading field, or if you really wanted to get these type of results, then you must have to stay focused, you must have to learn and then practice, and then you can easily achieve these type of things. So guys, I am not asking you to go blindly with any course or any knowledge. First of all, see its course contents, that what type of things you are going to get, what type of knowledge you are going to get, and what type of things are strategies available with that specific course. And after analyzing those 9 hours of whole course contents, then you can decide. And it's totally one time food for any person. And education is, I will say that, almost free. And getting that education to upgrade yourself is very necessary to get successful in any field. Now we will talk about indicators and expert advisors. So you can see my live results, and if you see, then all type of these results were achieved by manual trading or manual methods. Okay, so if you do not like and subscribe the stream, then must like it. So I will continue the same topic, and I will give you actual understanding that what is indicators and what are expert advisors, and is what is the reality of them, and how you can go with them properly, and whatever these results are achievable with the expert advisors or not. So must like the stream and comment it and subscribe it. So when you will do all these things, then I will definitely give you actual insights related to each things, and all those things which are taught, I will always give you slowly on these live streams. So that's why joining with these streams on daily basis and subscribing, commenting is necessary. So if you do not like, then those sessions will not continue, and all type of premium knowledge will be available with the courses, but those knowledge will also be given on the stream if you are lacking the stream and all other stuffs. Okay, now let's move back to our topic, that whatever these type of results are achievable with the expert advisors and indicators. So if you see in my MT4, I have applied this indicator which is saying going up and little bit going down. So what is reality of this indicator, and whatever these results were achieved with this indicator or not? So my clear cut answer